Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to answer questions on the sendit. Let's suppose you have sent a poll to your friend and they answer it. Now you want to re-answer that question. How you can do it? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your sendit application on your phone. Once you will do it, you will see this type of the interface. So I have recently sent a poll to my friend and now they have responded. So simply you have to click on this message box on the right top. So once you will click on it, here you will see I have one response here. So simply you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you will see response is here. You have to click on the tap to play to see. Okay, once you will do it, answer is loading now. Now you will see I get a response. Now if you want to re-answer it, simply click a picture and you can write your answer here. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.